Mabigat.
Mabigat. So, alternate po tayo. 1, 2. 1, 2. So, Q will be 1, 2. Numbers na lang ako. Okay? Prepare. Take your option kung saan yung arms. Okay? Point the toes. Point the toes. Prepare. 1. Left leg na. Sige, mabubuhin mo yung Q. Okay? 1, pump pump. 2, and 1, pump pump, left. Okay. 1, left. 2, left. Para lang alam nyo na yung para tayo may. Okay? Again. Prepare. 1, left. 2, left. 3, left. 4, left. 5, left. 6, left. 7, left. 8, left. 9, left. 10, left. Down. Double leg kick. Okay. Same thing. Okay, try not to release the leg. 1, 2. So 1, 2. Okay? Prepare. Knees together. Okay, legs down. 1. Down. 2. Down. 3. Down. 4. Down. 5. Down. 6. Down. 7. Down. 8. Down. 9. Down. 10. Down. Okay. From here, you're going to lie down on your back or you're going to do your seesaw. Again, pwedeng may bump sa ilalim or a prop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 sets of those. After those 2 sets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? 2 sets din yun. Prepare. Naka-legs up lang muna tayo. Point your toes. Legs up. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Keep those legs up. Going down na tayo ngayon. Okay? Prepare. Get up. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Going up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Going up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release down. Okay. From here, guys, bicycle. Pwede pa rin meron dito, pwedeng wala. Okay? You flex your feet here just like you're riding a bicycle. And then, 1, 2, 3, okay? Prepare. Okay, tabletop, pero naka-flex ang feet natin. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down. Okay. Round 2. Okay. Tabletop, flex. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down. Shoulder bridge. Okay? Few minutes. Pero bago natin gawin yung shoulder bridge, let's warm up the spine first. Okay? Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. Ganyan muna. Okay? Prepare. Then shoulder bridge tayo. Okay? Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Hold. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. One more. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. 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 Down. Shoulder bridge. Okay? The shoulder bridge. We'll lift the hips. Yung hands nyo behind your hips. Feet flat on the floor. Raise the right leg up. Then, 1. Pag 2. When you lift the right leg up, dapat knee-to-knee lang sila as much as possible. Kung hindi naman, okay lang. Okay? Prepare. Right leg up. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down. Okay. Ayaw na ibaba yung bridge, okay lang. Left leg na tayo. Okay, left leg. Prepare, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down. Okay. From here. Side kick tayo. Okay. Side kick. Here. Mamaya mag-teaser tayo. Side kick. Yung left arm, pwede naman ganito. O kaya, pwede naman left hand behind your head. You're gonna lift the right leg up. Make sure naka-stack sila. Point the toes. When you kick the right leg forward or the top leg nyo forward, make sure na naka-flex. And then when you kick it back, transition to point. Do it slowly para hindi masyadong wobbly yung hips natin. Stable siya. And then, you squeeze that core in habang ginagawa. Okay? Prepare. Right leg sa taas. Doesn't matter kung anong unang gusto yung leg. Okay lang. Basta gusto ko nakita kung nakaano yung core nyo. Okay? Right leg up. Forward. Kick back. Center. Forward. Kick back. Center. Forward. Kick back. Center. Down. Okay, flip side. May nakatalikod kayo sa akin. Huwag niyo ko dayain na yung core nyo ah. Okay. Prepare. Lift. Okay, forward. Kick back. Forward. Kick back. Forward. Kick back. Forward. Kick back. One more forward. Kick back. Down. Okay. Before we go to your feeder, I'm gonna do your hip twist or your hip circles. Bring your forearms down, you'll point the toes. Okay, relax your chest here. Okay. And 1, 2, okay, prepare. And side to the right and side to the left. Okay, lift your chest. Nakalift yung chest natin. Forearms down. Forearms. Okay, squeeze the arms in. Yan. Okay, lift the legs. Lift the legs. Point. Okay, right, left side first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release muna. Baba muna. Pahinga.